This is a momentous day for Forth Ports today, to be here to celebrate the official opening of the Charles Hammond Berth, a vision that we had to transform Leith from a port that had a heavy reliance on oil and gas to one that is going to be reliant on renewable energy is a fantastic journey that we've been on. So the event today is to officially open this berth. It's been under construction for the last couple of years. We're going to name it again after our previous Chief Executive, Charles Hammond, and we look forward to the first contract being done here in the second half of 2025.
And I can remember one of my very, very first board meetings 10 years ago, where we were talking about doing something like this in Dundee, and we approved it 10 years ago. But what we're doing here is 4 times the size of what we did in Dundee. This is big. This is bigger than anything we've really done before, and it's way in the green renewable energy area, which is just fantastic.
Feels very humbling actually, but I'm very honoured. And I see today not just as a day about naming a berth after me, but actually celebrating everything that's really great about Forth Ports and its people and the opportunities we have going forward. Leith was dominated by North Sea oil and gas, had a pipeline facility here for over 50 years, and that of course changed. And very symbolic change, because suddenly we're building a gateway to prosperity, a new berth which is going to give opportunity in new, greener industries.
The development here is obviously for offshore wind, and we've created now this 125 metre long heavy lift berth, which is for really high loads. And we have worked in conjunction with Forth Ports in developing the scope of the project and what they want to get out of it for all their future developers. So the berth is the main part, with some berthing and mooring dolphins at each end, and then obviously a massive hinterland area of approximately 300,000 square metres.
I mean, 100 million of investment is so exciting, and it shows such forward-thinking commitment to infrastructure, but also crucially, from the point of the UK government, it shows a real commitment to clean energy and green jobs, and we're so delighted to see it. So there is so much potential here at Leith, but indeed across Scotland and the UK too. And from the point of view of the UK government, our ambition is nothing less than the reindustrialisation of Scotland, and we're delighted that it can start here today.
I mean, this is just the beginning. I mean, the fact that we've got so many businesses that want to come here and help with that just transition from oil and gas, all the space that was used in the past for the oil and gas industries, and now it's looking to the future with renewables. A lot of help with our net zero targets to meet them across Scotland and the whole of the UK. We are at the heart of that just transition, and I'm so grateful that we're right at the centre of that.
Forth Ports has to be as a key partner, a strategic key partner of UK government, Scottish government and the developers to say, how do we get this market that is developing, how do we achieve our targets of net zero, and how do we actually deliver that from Scottish locations. What we're opening today is a significant addition to the infrastructure that we have in Scotland, and therefore our role is to stay ahead of the market demands, to keep the customer happy, to give the service level that they're looking for and the infrastructure that they need to deliver these large-scale projects in the years to come.